Conventional gas filling in our industry has been primarily designed for argon gas. Simple, inefficient machines were designed in a way that the process was quick and did not utilize any specialized software. Gas waste has been disregarded as argon gas is very inexpensive. When this process was developed, the mentality was to provide two options in airspace thermal optimization: air or argon. The simplest and most common way to achieve the goal is to inject argon and turn off the gas flow once the effluent leaving the IG unit contains 95% of the gas that is displacing the air. Again, since the cost of argon is so low, there has been no concern about efficiency and gas loss. Over time, the glass industry has become more sophisticated. It now understands that different types of gas will have a drastic impact on the U value of a window depending on the airspace width. One of these gases is krypton. When using krypton in a half-inch airspace, a window's U value will improve by 20%. If the airspace gets narrower, even though much less gas is used, the gain is closer to 50%. This is exactly why krypton gas is so attractive in triple IG units. However, krypton is more expensive than argon. Using the technology developed for argon filling, even if extremely careful, will give a much better window performance in terms of U value, but at a very high price. The industry quickly determined that this cost is not acceptable. The solution? Optigas, intelligent and software-controlled gas filling. Optigas changes the entire way of making a high-performance IG unit. Using sophisticated software and machinery controls, companies are now able to fill custom gas mixtures to achieve engineered U values at cost savings of up to 85% compared to the traditional method. How does it work? The Optigas technology is intelligent about what the production needs are and sophisticated in the way it executes this process. Optigas at a glance always displaces the inefficient air with argon gas. It then doses in just the exact amount of krypton to get the desired U value. During a typical Optigas filling process, no krypton is lost for the first 80% of the volume. What makes this discovery important is that a mixture of 80% krypton, 15% of argon, and 5% air performs just as well as an IG with 90% krypton and 10% air. Using the proprietary method discussed, Optigas consumes 0.8 liters for every liter of IG airspace, while traditional methods use 2 to 3 liters to accomplish the same goal. This represents a 60 to 73% savings. Optigas can further reduce the cost by simultaneously filling argon in the large space and krypton in the narrow airspace of an asymmetric triple IG unit. This method allows for the same U value at up to an 85% gas savings. The machine, using the ThermalCert module, then checks the fill accuracy of actual production and permanently records the results for customer inspection and quality control purposes. Optigas is tightly integrated with Venavision, but can also work with other software solutions. Where is the payback? The cost of leasing the Optigas machine technology is less than $1,000 per month, and some satisfied customers have reported savings of up to $250,000 per year. Additional payback. Since the machine automatically fills different mixtures with no setup time, it makes it very easy to add products targeting specific U values, which will help you gain market share. The integrated ThermalCert module provides statistical evidence to the immediate and end customer that the U values purchased were in fact the U values produced. The engineered U-value capability allows users to design units that will minimize cost by always rounding down using precise dosing for Energy Star reporting. Asymmetric triple units will be as important to the future as warm edge has been in the past. Having engineered airspaces designed for peak performance with the proper gas, muntins, and even sound reduction will increase the value to the consumer while decreasing cost to the manufacturer. The OptiGas process makes asymmetric capability a no-brainer. Get OptiGas to reduce your costs and improve your profits. OptiGas, engineered with pride by Integrated Automation Systems, with assistance from Praxair and Fenatech. OptiGas, smart gas filling.